Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifeoma. On this channel, I do protective hairstyle for kids. I do DIYs. Yes guys, so please consider subscribing so we can be one big family, okay? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this beautiful hairstyle for my daughter. Yes, this African hairstyle is super good for kids. It can help your child's hair to grow very well. It can help strengthen their hair. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful African hairstyle, keep watching, okay? Just get your popcorn, get your granite, make yourself comfortable. All right, let me show you guys how I was able to make this hairstyle. Okay, so first I will start by parting the hair from front all the way to the back. Disclaimer please, I'm not being harsh on her. This video is on a fast mode, okay? That's why it seems like I'm being harsh, but I'm not, okay guys? So you part the hair from front all the way to the back into two equal parts. All right, to make this hairstyle you will be needing wool or thread or rubber thread. So I'll be using 2 strands of wool. Then I'll go ahead and start wrapping the section I've parted with the two strands of thread, as you can see me doing in the video. That's what I will do. So I will keep wrapping the hair until I get to the end. Watch as I do that. All right, so you keep on wrapping the hair. Mind you, while wrapping the hair, you don't have to be giving space so that the wool can cover all her natural hair, because if you give too much gap, her natural hair will pop out. Okay, so when you get to the end of the hair, to the end of the natural hair, you can add extra wool to it, as you can see me doing now. You see, I added extra wool. That will help me to increase the length of the hair. Yeah, like now that I'm wrapping, what I am wrapping is the wool. It's no longer her natural hair. What I'm wrapping now is the wool. That will make me to create an extra length for the hair. Okay, so once I achieve the length that I want, I'll go ahead and knot the end of the wool. Yes guys, so now I will go ahead and keep on wrapping the hair until I get to the length that I want. Yeah, so now I will go ahead and knot the wool. Look at the way I'm knotting it. Did you see? That's it. So this length now is okay. Watch again, watch carefully so that you will see how I do that. Okay, so again I will use 2 strands of wool to start wrapping the hair. First, secure the root of the hair, but don't make it so tight, okay? Then start wrapping the natural hair with the wool. Like I said, while wrapping it, make sure that you don't give space so that the natural hair will not come out. Okay guys, then start wrapping the natural hair. Then when you get to the end of the natural hair, you cross, as in you cross the wool, creating an extra length. Okay, now that I'm wrapping the hair, what I'm wrapping is the wool. It's no longer her hair. Okay, and I'm wrapping the wool so I can create an extra length. Once I get to the end, I will knot it. Okay guys, so now we are done with the hair. I'll go ahead and add hair accessories just to beautify the hair. Yes guys, you know, the hair is for a child, so you have to make it to look colorful. But if you're making this hairstyle for an adult, I don't think there's no need for you to add any colorful hair accessories. All right. So guys, we are done making the hair. Look at it, it's so beautiful, right? Please do subscribe to this channel if you love what you're seeing here, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, okay? And if you have any question for me, please do leave it in the comment section. I will go through it, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.